Hi,
I'm Sophie.
And I'm Delilah.
And welcome to the Badlands.
The Cheyenne River is the main source of water. The cycle of water in the Badlands is pretty basic. It goes evaporation, condensation, sublimation, precipitation, transportation, and runoff. Water falls in sudden, long-lasting heavy showers. Water moves very fast, washing away loose rocks and sediments. Water drains quickly on higher land. Streams flow from the sides to the bottom. This is how the Badlands were formed. And this is a picture of plateaus. These are hoodoos, and right after this is a map of the Badlands. Plateaus were formed 500,000 years ago by the Cheyenne River. There's streams and rivers flowing from the Black Hills into the Badlands. The rivers wore down the tops of the plateaus to make a flat surface. Hoodoos were formed in the winter in the time of the Badlands, where the temperature can be as cold as 17 degrees. The frost and snow and ice erodes away at the rock. This is called frost wedging. Evidence and biologists think that the Badlands will be completely eroded away in another million years. Even a quick look at the Badlands shows the rocks were deposited in layers. Every layer is made of tiny grains of sediments like sand, silt, and clay that have been crushed naturally together into sedimentary rocks.
The history of the Badlands goes like this. Badlands National Park was established in 1979, but in 1939, the Badlands was actually a monument. The Badlands are most known for its 244,000 arcs it has. The first people there were the Lakota. These people named the land the Mokosika, which translates into land bad. The French Canadians called it Badlands to travel through. President Franklin Roosevelt actually found the Badlands in 1939. This park was selected to be a national park by Congress in 1978 when Roosevelt noticed that the land was becoming larger than a national monument. The animals living in the Badlands include bighorn sheep, badgers, pronghorn, bobcats, porcupines, prairie dogs, bison, western painted turtles, bull snakes, rattlesnakes, western meadowlark, and turkey vultures. The rocks in the Badlands include soft sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are formed by deposition of minerals or organic particles from the bottom of any water on the surface of the earth.
The government should keep the Badlands open because of the wildlife, landforms, and history. Many fossils from 67 to 75 million years ago are found in the Badlands today. There are over 12 different types of animals living in the Badlands. The Badlands dates back over 500,000 years ago. If the government closes the Badlands now, all the animals may overrun the land. In time, if this happens, there will be no land there, and the grasslands will become a desert filled with nothing.
Here are some fun facts about the Badlands. Number 1. The rock layers of the Badlands National Park were deposited 67 to 75 million years ago during the Cretaceous period. Throughout the Lake Onceni, 34 to 37 million years ago, and 26 to 34 years ago during the Augasian The sea, tropical land, and open woodlands environment cause different sediments to accumulate at different times. The layers are similar in characteristics and are grouped into units called formations. The oldest formation is near the top of the... The oldest formations are near the bottom of the item, and the newest or youngest are near the top. Number 2. 850,000 to 1 million people visit the Badlands every year. Number 3. The Badlands are also found in countries of Europe, South America, Asia, and Australia. Number 4. The Badlands used to be a bombing area during World War II. And number 5. The place for finding fossils is the Badlands.
Bye. Thank you for listening. You're awesome. And bye.